Connectivism is a theory of learning that addresses learning in the digital age. Three of the most popular learning theories have guided our understanding of how people acquire, retain, and recall knowledge. And by studying these theories, we can better understand how learning occurs. However, these theories were developed during a time when learning was not impacted by technology. Therefore, a new learning theory had to be developed to help us better understand how we're learning in the 21st century in the digital age. George Siemens created the Connectivism learning theory in 2004, which explains how technology has expanded opportunity for people to learn, share information, and make choices about their own learning, and how the internet is changing and improving our learning. Some examples are web browsers, email, social networks, YouTube, online discussion forums, etc. Much learning can take place online in our social digital world. Students now are encouraged to seek out information on their own. This creates connections and learning communities promoting collaboration and discussion where information is shared. There are many new trends in learning. Informal learning is now a big part of our learning experience, and technology is rewiring our brains, and the way we think and learn is changing and evolving. Learning is now a lifetime process. We need to be self-directed learners who are responsible for our own learning. Decision-making in itself is learning. Knowing where to find knowledge is just as important as having knowledge, and technology can be used to support and enhance our learning. Learning may reside in non-human appliances such as computers, tablets, cell phones, and connections are needed to facilitate continuous learning. Finally, how can we integrate technology into the training environment? Learning now can take place on a tablet, a laptop, or a smartphone in a classroom or at home where you can learn at your own pace. Content can be published and shared online on platforms like YouTube for viewing by many people, or commentary. Cell phones can be used in the classroom, Google solutions to problems, and find solutions on your own. MOOC courses are offered for free by elite institutions. People have access to learning at their fingertips. LMS and distant learning offer opportunities to learn together from across different locations, just like we're doing in our class with discussion boards and sharing ideas. You can choose how to learn best in your own personal learning space, whether that's by reading or by watching videos or by tutorials. And we have the opportunity to create online learning communities by connecting with people who share similar interests to ours.